Yeah, so we built this game because we had already Apollo 13, which was about IT service management. We also built a game about DevOps, and it seems that both worlds are very far from each other. So we had a lot of discussions with our partners and trainers, and we were looking for something in between. So this simulation is about bringing the two worlds together from a service management perspective. So teaching the service people a little bit more about Agile and Lean and DevOps and visualization and flow and all these new terms that make service teams a little bit better in performing and applying the IT service management principles.
Well, it's a fantastic game. There's a lot of thought process that has gone inside. It is able to handle to cross-functional teams, which is very difficult in a real setup. So it's quick, and there's a lot of automation already in the game. The whole landscape is changing with DevOps, Agile, Lean. So I think this is a good combination of all IT best practices that could fit into any kind of things, and more importantly address the attitude behavior culture.
First and important for the participants, it's fun, like the other simulations if you know Apollo 13. Second, it makes you curious about Agile approach. You get to think about it, get your first step, ideas for your first steps. And third, I think it's helpful if you want to take the road further on to get an Agile organization, how you can make the first step.
I would implement this game when a team has some issues or an organization has some issues of what to do next. To explore the new way of working, to see what kind of typical things happen in a team, and really try to get to know what the new possibilities are.
Well, first of all, this whole new way of working is about changing a mindset. It's not about teaching people principles and theory and frameworks and models, but first objective is to create the mindset of people. First of all, to see the customer as an important role in the organization, be customer focused. And the other element is to understand how you can continuously improve the way of working by a regular rhythm of doing, reflecting, thinking and making decisions how you can do it better. And it's a perfect way to do it through simulations, because you put people in a very safe environment where they can experiment and can make mistakes. So for those organizations who really want to start their journey, that this simulation is a great way to practice and to let people really feel what it is to work different.